Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the truck and trailer so the system can work reliably. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and keep the engine running. Connect the trailer harness and confirm lights and brakes function. The system won't calibrate with faulty wiring. Once done, open the infotainment trailer menu, choose Trailer Backup Assist, and follow the on-screen prompts to enter wheelbase and trailer length if requested. Make sure cameras are clean, so the system has clear visual input. Now you use the rotary knob or touchscreen slider to set the trailer's intended path while the system controls steering. Turn the knob toward the direction you want the trailer to go. The truck will steer accordingly. You still control speed, use the brake gently or select low gear for precise movement. Keep your eyes on camera overlays and mirrors. Make small knob adjustments rather than big swings. If the trailer drifts, stop, recenter the wheel, and correct the path before continuing. When the trailer is in place, stop the truck, shift to park, and apply the parking brake to secure it. Exit the Trailer Backup Assist mode via the touchscreen or simply step on the brake and shift out of reverse to return manual control. If the system behaves oddly, unresponsive knob, no camera feed, or incorrect path, inspect electrical connections and trailer wiring first, clean cameras, and perform the calibration routine again. If problems persist, cycle vehicle power or consult a dealer for sensor diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.